Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome back to Skint Living UK. This is another part of my bathroom renovation. I'm still in the destruction phase, but I'm really happy I've managed to get all the tiles off all four walls in 4 days. I've done a wall a day because my hands get sore because I've got arthritis. There's still a lot of adhesive on it, but it's coming off easy, so I'll probably have a go at that next week and get the floor tiles up and the boxing of the pipes, because I think there's a little leak from the sink, so that needs looking at. These are an example of my new floor tiles. It's like a grey wood green mat, and these were from Wicks. I'll leave a little link in the description below. I'm not affiliated to them in any way, and the only damage I could find, well, water damage, was just on this bit above the bath, so I'm really pleased it's not the whole wall, which I was dreading doing this window wall last, and I managed to get the wood off with the curtains as well. So basically I've worked really hard, my hands are really sore, so I need a few days off to let my hands get back to normal, and then I can start doing some work. So it's looking okay. I'm just really pleased I managed to do it. Trying to keep the costs down, so that's why I'm doing it myself. This is an old 1908 house, so it needs some tender love and care. So I've bought a traditional looking sink and toilet so far, and then I'll need to start saving up for a new bath. I want a little roll top bath. You can only get a small bath here, it's not a full size one, but if someone's got kiddies, it's great for them, or if they don't mind sitting up in the bath, it'll be ideal for them. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee as well. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody watching. Thanks.